Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. In the previous classes, we were learning about addition. In this class, we'll learn about subtraction of 7 and 8 digit numbers. So, in your lower classes, you have seen the subtraction of smaller numbers. So, what is subtraction? In subtraction, you have a greater number and a smaller number. You are taking away the smaller number from the greater number, right? You are taking away or subtracting. So that bigger number or numeral is called the minuend, and the number that you are subtracting from the minuend or the smaller number is called the subtrahend, and the answer you are getting or the difference, the answer or the result is called the difference of the subtraction. Look at this example. Subtract 44,24,897 from 47,52,719. So, you have to take away or subtract this number from this number. Which is the bigger number here? This one. So, this is the minuend and this is the subtrahend. Now, let's put the numbers on a face value chart. So, here we have the numbers. Similar to addition, we start subtracting from the ones and proceed to the higher places. So, let's subtract this one. 9 ones minus 7 ones gives you 2 ones, and in the tens place you have 1 10 in the minuend and 9 tens in the subtrahend. You cannot take away 9 from 1, right? So what do? Let's borrow 100 from this hundreds place to the tens place. So I am borrowing 100 to the tens place. So now here I have 100 plus 110 here. So 100 we know it's 10 tens. So we have 10 tens plus 110. So 10 plus 1 it is 11 tens here. Now 11 minus 9 it is 2 tens. So since I borrowed 100 from the 700s, this 7 is changed to 6. Clear? Now, what do we do here? You have 600 and 800. You cannot take away 8 from 6. So, again, we borrow 1000 from the thousands place to the hundreds place. So, 1000 we know 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Right? So, here you have 10 hundreds plus 6 hundreds here. So, what is 10 plus 6? It is 16. So, this hundreds place becomes 16 hundreds. So, 16 minus 8, it is 8 hundreds. Now, let's move on to the next higher place. Since we borrowed 1000 from the thousands place, this 2000s became 1. In thousands place, since you borrowed 1000 from here and we gave it to the hundreds place, here it is 1000 here and here 4 in the subtrahend. We cannot take away this 4 from 1. So again, we are borrowing 1 from the next higher place. So let's borrow 1 from here. So here it became 11 thousands. We know we borrowed 10,000 from the 10,000s place. So 10,000 equal to 10 times 1000. So when we borrow 10,000 from this 10,000s place, we are getting 10 thousands in the thousands place. So here we have that 10 plus this 1000, a total of 11 thousands in the thousands place. So now we can do the subtraction. 11 minus 4, it is 7 thousands. So since we gave 10,000 to the thousands place, here instead of 5, it became 5 minus 1, 4. Now 4 10,000s minus 2 10,000s, it is 2. Now 7 minus 4, it is 3, and 4 10 lakhs minus 4 10 lakhs, it is 0. So, what is the difference? The difference is 3 lakh 27,822. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's see one more example. Subtract 7,81,601 from 9,87,50,210. Here it is a 6-digit number and here it is an 8-digit number. Let's put the numbers on the face value chart. So which is the bigger number or the mean one here? This one, and this is the subtrahend. So the mean one comes at the top, the subtrahend below it. Now let's start subtracting the numbers. You have 0 ones and 1 ones. You cannot take away 1 from 0. So you borrow 1 from the next higher place. So we borrow 110 from the tens place and bring it here. So we have 110 plus 0. That is, any number plus 0 is that number itself. So 110 plus 0 equal to 10 itself. So now you have 10 minus 1 is 9. Here, since we gave 1 to the ones place, this 1 became 1 minus 1, 0. So here 0 tens minus 0 10, it is 0. Now in the hundreds place you have 2 and 6. You cannot take away 6 from 2. So you borrow from the thousands place. So you and in the thousands place, see it is 0. So we cannot borrow. So we again move to the next higher place. So in the 10,000s place you have 5. So from this 5, you gave 1 to the thousands place. So here this 0 first becomes 10,000s. We borrowed 1 10,000 from 10,000s place and gave it to the thousands place. So 1 10,000 is how many thousands? It is 10,000. So now here you have 10,000s, and from this 10 you can give 1 to the hundreds place. So from this 10 I am borrowing 1,000 and giving it to the hundreds place. So now here you have 10 hundreds which is 1,000, 10 hundred plus 2 hundreds which is 1,200, and this 10,000s became 10 minus 1, 9, and in the beginning we had taken away 10,000 from this 5 10,000, so this 5 became 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, now here 12 minus 6 it is 6, 9 minus 1 it is 8, and in the 10,000s place we have 4 10,000s minus 8 10,000s. We cannot take away 8 from 4. So let's borrow from the next place again. So from the 7, I am borrowing 1 lakh to the 10,000s place. So I have 10 10,000s which is 1 lakh plus this 4 10,000s. So it became 14 10,000s. So from this 14, I am taking away 8. So that gives you 6 10,000s. In the lakhs place, since you gave 1 to the next lower place, the 7 became 6. Again, you cannot take away 7 from 6. So you borrow from the next place. So this 8 became 7 and here it became 16. That is 10 lakhs plus, you borrowed 1 10 lakh from the 10 lakhs place, right? So here you have 1 10 lakh plus the 6 lakhs that you already have. So 16 lakhs minus 7 lakhs, that is 9 lakhs. So in the 10 lakhs place you have 7 left and the crores place you have 9. So what is the difference in this case? It is 9 crore 79 lakh 68,609. I hope this is clear to you. We were talking about subtracting 7 and 8 digit numbers, and you have to go to the topic in page number 19 of your textbook. Then you have to do the question number 2A to 2F in page number 22. That is exercise 2.1. Page number 22, you have 6 questions there. Please go through that and note down the answers in your notebook. And also in page number 20, you have this heading, try this. You can do the sum and the difference in the textbook itself. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, bye.